Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, English Studio LFY. I hope you guys were doing well. In this video I'll be reviewing this Vaseline Intensive Care, which is the most common body lotion. Nowadays, a cream, mostly Vaseline Intensive Care cream, has a very various different one was made for Pacific thing. This one's called Anti-Advance Repair. Okay, with fragrance free, so it doesn't have any kind of nice and fragrance or sin in it built into this cream. And this is clinically proven to heal very dry skin in 5 days, and that's why it is. And he actually most of this Vaseline Intensive Care actually work perfectly. All the hand cream and body cream to give you a natural black glow, all of them works. And this one, it works perfectly. It comes with micro droplets of Vaseline jelly. That's what all of the intensity will have that, and all of them are non-greasy lotion. As you can see, this is a very rich hand cream. As you can see there, right here, I'm too between my or riches, so this is very rich cream. That's because those who have very dry skin, it will actually heal them and heal them within 5 days. So that's the good thing about this cream. And there's no smell at all in this cream. If you're a person you don't like, and you can extend or anything in the cream, this is perfect. And as you can see, also Advance Repair fragrance free also, for it does fast healing when skin's dry and rough. It moisturizes to reveal relief even stubborn, very dry patches. Clinically proven to keep skin and dryness healed for 3 weeks, and are suitable for sensitive skin, and absorbs force for a very nice, non-greasy feel. Now, all the creams of when use it, if might take a while to actually absorb, okay, it meant to absorb a lot quicker. And after you absorbed, you get that very nice feel, your skin who feels very smooth and nice. And you see the big difference of when you didn't use them or when you did use it, and when compared with other creams, you see a big difference in the texture and how it repairs within their certain days that I mentioned. Sometimes takes a lot longer depending on your skin type. Why is a perfect cream? If you are interested in one, you can find in various retailers, or you can buy it by just clicking the link in description box. If it is typing this name on search engine or going to stores, you probably find it, and it's perfect. Thank you for watching my video. Please give a like and subscribe my channel to get new updates. Till then, bye bye.